First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the wheel off. That way you have better access to the panel. And after we take the panel off, we're going to take this cover off here. And it's just on there by some snaps. We can actually pull that cover down out the way. Now you have access to the water pump. Now when you're working on it from the bottom, it makes it a whole lot easier. One of the harder things about this is the tensioner. You're going to need like a flat 3/4 inch bar and to pull that tensioner down. They do make tools for that. It's just not much space for you to get the tool in there. So if you have a thin one, then that works great too. We actually have a tool that goes in there. It's a Serpentine belt tool. Do you have that? No, the belt, the tool to take the belt off. Alright, so we actually have the tool for that, and this is a Serpentine belt tool. This is a rather, a little bit more in depth one than you usually find at the parts store. It's got interchangeable heads that you can change, 1/4, 1/2, and 3/8. It's got the drive, and this will actually also ratchet. And then we have the other type. It's just kind of a generic type, which is a straight bar. The only thing with this type is so long and so straight, it's kind of hard to get up in there the way you need to and have the right angle so that you can turn that. So basically, what you do is you stick that in there, and let's turn it around the other way. So this tool has the interchangeable head where you can go from one side to the other. I believe I bought this from Matco, for those of you that are interested in it. So basically, we'll stick that in there. And with the ratcheting head, you're able to ratchet it around and move it the way you want to. And then with the angle down here, you can angle it whichever way you need to so that you can get more leverage or more space to turn it. So then you add a little pressure and you pull that tensioner down. If you would, remove that belt for me. Right there. There we go. All right, that easy. So now we'll take this belt off. Last step is to put the belt back on, and to do that again, we're going to use our tool. Once you got it around the pulleys where you need to, we're going to stick the tool in there. That goes right there in that hole. You see that hole right there? Okay. That fits right in there, like so. Okay. Now, so that I can get some leverage, obviously that piece is kind of short. They give you this longer bar here. We'll take the bar, lock it in. All right. Now we have leverage. Pull that pulley back, and I can reach with the other hand and loop it on to the pulley. See that? Boom. Boom. So easy that was. I just put a Serpentine belt on with one hand while filming. So, if you want to make it easy on yourself, invest the money, go out and get the tool to do this. I've known guys to spend hours trying to get a Serpentine belt off, and couldn't do it. So, anyway, get the tool, makes it easy. And until next time, if you have any questions, comments, please post. This is the full kit here. You notice you have a 3/8 head, a 1/2 inch head, and a 3/4 head for the really large ones. Then you also have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 sockets. Those are for the other type pulleys that have the nut on it where you can just turn it. You also have some crow feet socket, and of course the ratcheting piece. Alright, the ratcheting arm, that's there. And that locks in, and that does ratchet. So, it all comes in this nice handy case. I got this from Matco. I can't remember the price of it. I remember I did buy it when it was on sale. So it has that piece, and then it comes with that piece as well. So that's the number It's the MSBT15 Matco tool serpentine belt service kit, and it comes in a nice sturdy case. Now that is a lot better job or better tool than this one. As you can see, I do have an adapter where you can use a larger head, but like I said, because of this long arm, sometimes you can't, it won't be in the right position, and the long arm will kind of like get in your way. So it's nice to have that arm where it's broken in half and you can split it around. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show you. If you have any questions or comments, please post, chat. And I love the case that this comes in. Like I say, it's a specialized tool, so you want to take care of it. Don't just throw this in your toolbox. If you take care of it, you'll always be able to get to it when you need it.